and welcome to another video. This is Eleni and today I'm going to share with you one of my recently art supplies hauls. I got these dilution paints from Ranger that are supposed to be matte acrylic paint. And I also got this turquoise blue liquid watercolor by Talents. Some white gel pens, different brush pens from Talents, and two big chisel-shaped Posca markers by Uni. And I also got this piece of fabric with a lot of cute little Fridas on it. There is no name on it, so I have no way of knowing what brand it is, but what I can do is leave you the link to the e-shop of the store in the description box below so that you can check it out if you are really interested. What I usually do when I get new art supplies is to immediately check them out by playing with them in my journal, and that is what you will watch me do in this video. Now these are my favorite white gel pens that I prefer to use in this black journal that I keep in the living room and use to doodle in like this while watching TV. And although I've tested other brands of white gel pens like the Uni one that many prefer, I have found out that this one called Hybrid Gel Grip by Pentel is my absolute favorite. Here I'm testing the Talents brush pens, the turquoise blue and the sky blue, and to be perfectly honest, I think that they look the same. The third one, that is a turquoise green, is a little bit different, but my conclusion is that one of them would have been enough. As for the yellow one, I like the brightness of it, and you will also see me use a red one that I had in my stash, and this is my whole collection. I don't think that I will buy any more of these, as I really prefer this one that comes in an ink bottle that I find more fun to play with. I think the paint in all of these are the same, but as I said, the ink one is more interesting. Now that the acrylics are dry, I can see that they are all truly matte except one. And when I look closely, I can see that the label says shimmer paint on one of them and only paint on the rest. So keep that in mind if you are going to get them. The reason I prefer matte acrylics is that it is easier to play over them with other dry mediums like colored pencils, paint pens, markers and whatnot. And you saw how easy I could use the white gel pen over them. Now I will play with the turquoise and straw yellow Posca pens that you have to shake well before using, as they are markers with acrylic paints in them. They come in different nib sizes and you may have seen me use them in my videos regularly. But this is the first time for me using these big ones, and I enjoy making marks with them on the backgrounds, so I will definitely get more of these. And now that I've tested all my new art supplies, I will try to create something on this background, maybe a face with the help of washi tape eyes that are by Jane Davenport, and I will also use other art supplies from my stash. Hope you enjoy my process, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them below. And if you enjoy my videos, there is an easy way to support my channel. You just have to like and comment under them. Subscribe and click the bell to get notifications about my new uploads. Thank you so much for being here. Stay safe and see you soon. Love and kisses.